So I'm going to introduce here a famous essay by John Maynard Keynes called Economic Possibilities for Our Grandchildren. And, as a pundit, maybe one of the most dangerous things you can do is to make predictions about the future. And if you've ever seen these like science magazines from the 1950s or 1960s, you know that generally predictions about the distant future tend to be very wrong. We are still living on the ground and driving cars that don't fly. And today, the meals I ate were not in pill form. So, making predictions about what's going to happen in 100 years is difficult and dangerous. So I think one thing to focus on when you're reading this essay by Keynes is what he got right and what he got wrong, and and then okay, I should mention that he wrote this in 1930, so now we're 90 years in, and he's writing it about what's going to happen in 2030. So at this point we can make a much better prediction about what the world's going to look like in 2030. Um, that's one thing. I should warn you a bit in this essay. There's both some sort of what we would consider now inappropriate language about, say, women. There's also a paragraph that's anti-Semitic, and then in the very last paragraph of the essay, there's a dig on dentists. So that's just to give you a bit of forewarning. It was written at a time when social attitudes were a little different, generally, not to excuse Keynes for what he says. I don't want to color it any more than that. So we're reading this. So I'm introducing this essay by Keynes, and I'm going to make another video introducing the other essay, which is a reaction to this essay. So I don't think I'm going to say anything more about this. I'm going to have you guys read the whole essay. It's only 10 pages long. And it fits into automation because Keynes is talking about the value of leisure, whether leisure is a good thing or a bad thing, and what will happen when people have more leisure. Also, he talks about technological unemployment. I think this may have been, well, it's probably not one of the first essays to talk about that, but I believe that phrase, technological unemployment, may have been coined by this essay, in fact. So I'll leave it there. I look forward to talking with you guys about this essay in class.